Clingmans Dome, which is located on the North Carolina side of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park area, and it is the tallest peak in Great Smoky Mountain National Park. It's a beautiful drive up. The weather's really nice out today.
Beautiful.
So yeah.
It's scary.
The reason she's saying scary is because she likes to make sure both my hands are on the wheel at all times. The mountain roads, they're fun. I enjoy the
There's
mountain roads.
some steep drops there. Also, if you're heading to the Great Smoky Mountains, you have to stop by a parking
Kiosk.
Parking kiosk, or head into one of the visitor centers and you get a $5 parking pass, so you can park all over the Great Smoky Mountains, or $15 for the week.
In hindsight, we should have done the $15 for the week, but notes for next time. We had a great breakfast at Crockett's Breakfast Camp.
It's one of our favorite places here, hands down. They just really know how to do it right.
Right inside of Gatlinburg, and if you want to know more information about that location, you can check out one of our other YouTube videos where we did a full review on it. Let's get on the road. Let's go up to Clingmans. Clingmans Dome, 20 miles.
This is what we love so much about the Smoky Mountains and coming here. This beautiful, just green, like canopy drive through. It's just so relaxing, calming, and that fresh mountain air.
We're only a mile or two up so far into the parkway here, into the drive. It's 80 degrees is what it says on the truck. So we're gonna see what the temperature is once we get up to Clingmans Dome.
68 degrees. It's dropped 12 degrees already. Holy cow.
Yeah, that's great.
I hope I'm not gonna freeze up here.
Pink
Jeep
Tours. Throwback to the Pink Jeep Tours. Last year when Dollywood invited us up for a few days, they took us on a complimentary Pink Jeep tour through the Roaring Fork Motor Trail. Kind of a cool little drive. Okay, here's Newfoundland.
About half a mile away from Clingmans Dome is Newfound Gap, so we decided to check it out. And also, we noticed that the North Carolina and Tennessee line is right here.
It's right over there. We're looking at it right now.
Newfound Gap is something that I've been wanting to check out for quite a while, and for some reason we never made it here, so it just made sense that we had a little extra time before we headed over to Clingmans.
Looks like the elevation here is about 5,046 feet. And that's right over here on the state line sign.
Now you're in North Carolina, now you're in Tennessee.
Here, check out the top of the monument here.
Well, these stairs are they're very uneven. Careful, hubby.
Whoa!
Whoa, that is cold.
It's windy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear what we're saying, but I hope you can.
It's freezing. So yeah, I guess you're supposed to see the mountains over there.
Uh-huh.
And then over
Over
there.
here. Yep.
So that is North Carolina. That must be Tennessee.
Yeah, I think so.
Or North Carolina, Tennessee. Oh, I see the roads get narrower already, and there's no rails on the right-hand side.
We've gone from 80 degrees, we're now at 67 degrees.
Good thing I brought my jacket.
It's gonna feel amazing. So this is the parking lot up here at Clingmans. We're here, we found a parking place. Didn't actually take us too long in the main parking lot. We're gonna jump in on the Sony, and we'll be back in a second.
I just found this neat little booklet up here. So throughout the Smokies, they have these booklets that you can buy for $1. Make sure you do donate that $1 in there because they are nice booklets. But it tells you about Clingmans Dome. It's kind of neat, and it's a really nice little souvenir or booklet for you to keep. Just as you head into Clingmans Dome on the right-hand side, there's a great photo op right here. Then you can be part of a rock group.
It's a little chilly. It's about 60 degrees, maybe 63. That's the pathway behind me that goes to the top. The Clingmans Dome Trail up to the tower is about a half mile. And also you'll cross right through the Appalachian Trail, which is about a half mile up too. And the Mountain to Sea Trail is a half mile. I don't know what that is, but anyway you go, they're all a half mile. It's an uphill walk the entire way. There comes wifey. She stopped at the gift shop to get another layer underneath her jacket because she was freezing.
It is chilly out here.
As you come up the walkway, you'll see the Clingmans Dome Information Center and store.
This is where I got my long sleeve thermal. A lot of people are getting out of their car up here and freezing. So they're selling a lot of long sleeve and jackets in there. And they have a jacket that's like $39.99. And if you're a member of the Great Smokies, you get 15% off.
You're warm and supporting a good cause at the same time.
We just noticed that if you want a unique experience, you can do a guided hike led by a ranger here at 11 a.m. And it starts right here at the entryway to Clingmans Dome.
Just FYI, if you're bringing your pet up here, there's no pets up here on the Clingmans Dome Trail to the observation deck.
So you can see that it's a pretty steep climb going both ways behind us. And we just started, so it does get more steep from here. But like I said, they do have little turnoffs here where you can stop, relax, and grab a drink of water.
Did you bring water? Oh, good. You
I
bring
did,
water.
yes.
That was the water, not the moonshine, right?
The world may never know.
You know what? I'm glad I didn't get a jacket. Because like the guy said when we were getting out of the cars, you'd have taken it off.
Here, I'll keep you nice
No,
and cool. I'll keep you
Man.
nice and cool.
All right, Elsa.
Feel the burn.
Okay.
Feel the Clingman burn.
The Clingman burns.
Hey, hubby, see you in a couple weeks. I'm heading on the Appalachian Trail.
All right, good luck.
Bye, hubby.
Let me know if you find any oxygen.
Okay, there's stingy things. Bye.
There's a lot of stingy things that way, and bears and snakes and water moccasins and aliens and everything.
So if you're on the Appalachian Trail, you can hop off for a moment and check out Clingmans Dome just right up here, up the climb.
We're almost to the observation deck, so only a little more to go.
If you're hiking up Clingmans Dome, don't forget to bring your water because it may be very deceiving coming up here. It could be really cold, it could be really hot, but if it's cold, it's dry. If it's hot, it's just hot and you need your water.
We've made it to the top. There is the observation lookout tower right there. You ready for just a little bit more of an uphill?
I'm ready because I know that view up there is gorgeous.
Yes, let's do it.
This is so rewarding to see the view up here after that hike is just, it's the squirrel's tuxedo.
It is.
And that's why we've come back because it's just one of the best views that you can get out here at the Smokies.
The highest point of view in the Smoky Mountains without being in an airplane.
And it also feels like you're kind of at Universal Studios on Men in Black.
That thing, yeah, it does kind of look like it, doesn't it?
We are 6,643 feet up in the Smoky Mountains. Look at this view. Look at this view.
This is awesome up here. The views are great. The weather doesn't know what it wants to do. It's windy, and then it's not windy, and then it's cloudy, and then it's sunny. So sometimes you're cold, sometimes you're hot. There's wifey taking pictures. How you like
Taking
it?
pictures, but also just taking this view in. I
Yeah.
could stay up here half a day. The only thing that's missing is a hammock. Like, we just need a hammock to just chill out here for the day.
A hammock up here would be great. I just can't believe the temperature dropped. When we were in Gatlinburg, it was around 80 degrees, and it's got to be in the low 60s right now.
Yeah. It was 81 when we left. When we got out of the car, it was like 64.
Yeah.
But at some point, it was like 63.
Yep.
And I think up here, it's definitely dropped down to the low 60s.
Yes. This is the walkway from up top. Just a big loop-de-loop walkway that goes all the way around over to here.
This is the way down, Clingmans. But look at the Christmas trees. They're so pretty. It looks like it's about ready to rain, so we gotta jet on down. Bye, Clingmans. Till next time.
Till next time, we're gonna stay away just long enough till we forget how we feel on the way up. How those calf muscles feel, how those leg muscles feel.
How your lungs feel, because the air's different here.
Oh, you could tell who the professional hikers are up
Yeah,
here with their hiking
they're like-
sticks. They're just like passing you.
There was one point where there was a couple and the guy was like pushing the girl up. It was really funny.
Yeah.
We're almost done with Clingmans. We're descending. If you love adventure, if you love seeing like natural beauty, Clingmans Dome is a definite must if you're visiting here in the Smokies.
If you like these videos that we film up here in the mountains, there's only been a couple of them. Make sure you check out our video that's the Road to Nowhere. It's one of our earlier videos. Really cool. Man, it's getting really windy.
It's getting really windy,
Whoa.
and I'm afraid that it's going to start raining soon.
So with that, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next one.
I'm teeter-tottering in the mountains. Teeter-totter. I think I found the only loose rock. I'm surprised you didn't say, don't hurt yourself, wifey.